I'm Jeep Momma and I'm here at AOAA, Anthracite Outdoor Adventure Area. So I decided to come primitive camping here at the Trailhead Campground near AOAA, and all you have is a fire ring and a place to park your rig and set up your tent. So today I'm going to share with you my top 5 must-have items that you should bring with you when you're primitive camping and wheeling with your Jeep. Number 5, pie irons. What are pie irons? Let me show you. Okay, so my bread is buttered on the other side so it doesn't stick. Just pull that stuff off. Set it in the fire and let it cook. The number 4 item you must take with you when you're going primitive camping or off-roading is this expandable shovel. It works in so many different ways. You can use it as a short shovel, a long shovel. You can dig yourself out of the snow, or if the previous campers left a fire pit full of ashes, you can dig those ashes out. Or if you get stuck in the mud, which I did not, you can dig your Jeep out. Number 3, this is a must-have item when you're primitive camping and when you're out on the trails, and that's a camp chair. I live, I ride, I am Jeep. That's my camp chair. This is a great item to have when you're out on the trails. So when you take the lunch break, you have a place to sit down. And it's great for sitting around those campfires when you're primitive camping and there's no picnic table. Number 2 is warmth, especially in those cold, early spring temperatures. You're gonna wanna get a buddy heater. This thing kept my tent warm, but only for 3 hours, because you'll need to bring a couple extra of these propane tanks. But it's super easy to use and it keeps you warm all night long and in the morning when you're getting dressed to go out on those trails. And the number 1 must-have item that you should bring with you when you're primitive camping with your Jeep are these biodegradable wipes. When you're on those multi-day camping trips, when you don't have a shower, these will help keep you clean. And also it's a great idea to keep them in your Jeep, especially if you're gonna get muddy out on those trails, or even in the hot summer days. These things will help refresh you on the trails and in the campsite. Those are my top 5 must-have items when you go primitive camping and wheeling with your Jeep to make it more enjoyable.